Today on Designing Spaces, an innovative healthcare solution to create healthier school environments for kids and faculty. Ready to open the front door? A one-stop app for home repair and maintenance needs. And elevating your backyard with the highest quality concrete hardstone and retaining wall elements on the market. Time to design. Kids and faculty should thrive in the school environment, both educationally and physically. And thanks to a new innovative healthcare solution, they are. Meet Shannon Peterson. Shannon has spent the last 35 years of her life pursuing her passion as a teacher and administrator of early childhood education.
I've always had a love of children and families, but towards the end of my career, I found a new passion for high-quality relational education and care in early childhood settings, which sometimes you don't see. The Early Learning Coalition of Santa Rosa County is one of 30 coalitions in the state of Florida. Our main goal is to provide high-quality education for the children in our county. One of the ways that we do that is by providing subsidized childcare for low-income working families and children at risk. In addition to that, we hold the contracts for our voluntary pre-kindergarten programs, which is free pre-K for all 4-year-olds in the state of Florida. Additionally, we offer support to our child care providers through professional development, coaching, and training. We do developmental screenings with our children, child observations, classroom assessments, all in the hopes of providing quality child care to our county and our community.
The Early Learning Coalition is all about creating a safe and healthy space for children to thrive in, which is why they're meeting with Fletcher Williams from Innovative Health Solutions. Together with IHS, they're looking to integrate Cerazone, a new groundbreaking indoor air quality solution, into their offices and throughout their early learning facilities.
Thank you so much for meeting with me today. Very excited to talk to you about our different solutions in indoor air quality. A little backstory on our company. Innovative Healthcare Solutions was started in 2016, and we found a love for ELCs and child care providers. We realized the need for sanitization and indoor air quality in those sectors, so we focused on doing the research and finding proven products to bring to you guys.
Sounds good.
Talking about indoor air quality, it's the new conversation after 2020. We have to worry about what's in the air, and we have to be proactive in the mitigation of viruses and bacteria, things that can increase teacher call-outs. I know that's a big thing you guys are facing, and trying to get teachers in, we don't want them to be hired and then have to call out on that first year.
Absolutely. And we're not only focused on helping to provide high quality education, we really want to focus on safety and health.
You know, that's one of the big things that you guys do great work, but we can't help the children if they're not in the classroom. So having to call out from viruses and illnesses, things that really spike in those classroom settings, is what we're actually really proud to offer our new product called the Cerazone. This is going to be an air purifying product that uses ozone gas. So to tell you a little bit about ozone gas, because not a lot of people know about it.
Ozone gas is going to be 3 oxygen atoms. Now it's called Earth's natural sanitizer because that third oxygen atom does a great job of killing 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, and odors.
It's going to introduce the air into the unit, mix it with ozone gas, and the revolutionary thing is once it pushes it back out, it converts it all back into oxygen in 1.2 seconds.
Wow. Fletcher, let me ask you, so we're talking about air purification. What would be the difference between a typical HVAC system that had an air purifier attached to it versus the Cerazone? Why would I make the Cerazone choice instead of just adding an air purification system to our existing HVAC?
Right, there's so many products out there, especially after COVID. Anybody who made anything is now making air purifiers. So what makes us different? One of the big things we found is continual air purification. So when we're talking about things that are offered, we want to make sure they're effective. So with the Cerazone, comparing to the HVAC, HVACs, with being one of the most expensive things in your building, aren't made to continually pull through very thick filters. And when we're talking about things such as COVID or norovirus, which is the flu, we're talking about tiny particulate that love to make it ride through a filter. You're also only running about 30 minutes, an hour, if that, to cool the building. So we're pushing air, even though it might be purified, into the room, and then we're just leaving it, right? Compared to our products that's gonna be continually purifying.
24 hours a day?
24 hours a day. One of the big things I like to say is if I sold you a product that consumed an unbelievable amount of energy, I'd be selling you a bad product. That's why we're very proud of the invention that they've made, because it doesn't drive up energy costs and you're affecting the indoor air quality present with all those children.
Fletcher, I think that sounds amazing. Not only do I see the benefit of having it here in our office to combat germs and sickness, to help our own staff be here on a regular basis and breathing healthy air, what I really see the benefit could be for our childcare providers in their centers, in their environment, helping to provide safety and health for those children.
Absolutely. I'm so excited to continue talking to you about it today, and I'm very happy that you guys are taking this proactive step in indoor air quality and that we can partner with you in this adventure.
All right, let's go.
Are you looking to create a safer and healthier environment where you can live, learn, work, and play? Visit ihcsolutionsUSA.com to shop from a variety of products.
DIYers, it's happened to all of us. Whether there's something in our house that needs a repair or maybe even a little bit of maintenance, and we try to fix it ourselves. Except what happens when we're in the middle of a project and a problem arises? I don't really always know what to do next. It's happened to me many times, and I don't think it's a secret in my family that my husband, he's not the most handy. Well, luckily for us, there's now an app where you can not only phone a friend, but it's a repair expert. I'm so excited to hear all about this, but before we get started, let's head in and meet the Fike family.
Hey, my name's Ian Fike,
My name is Heather Fike.
and we have 2 beautiful boys, 1 on the way, 2 dogs, and we live in this awesome house.
Being a homeowner, it feels like it never ends, especially with our 2 children. It feels like we're constantly needing to repair things.
As a homeowner, I have a punch list that just never ceases to amaze me of the amount of stuff that breaks around the house. And
We've had this clogged sink, I think, since we've moved in, right? So almost 3 years ago.
if I could call someone that could walk me through how to do certain things, I would be able to do so much more around the house myself versus, having a handyman come out, which could take weeks and months sometimes.
Well, hello guys. Thank you for allowing us into your home. We appreciate it so much. It's beautiful.
Anytime.
By the way, backyard. Like, I would spend all day out there if
That's
I
not
were
too
you guys.
bad.
So let's welcome in the beautiful Ryan Goodwin. Welcome from Frontdoor.
Thank you.
How
Thank
are
you for having me. I'm good. I'm so happy to be here. So I also have 2 young kids. I know that, little kids and honey-do lists often go hand in hand, especially with little boys. And, dents in drywall, plumbing issues, like anything. The amazing thing about the app is that we have experts, so they're technicians that have had 15 to 20 years average experience in their field. So think HVAC, plumbing, electrical, all of these things, and they are just ready to answer your call.
I have about 10 things on my list that I could think of right now.
All right, well, let's go see it in person.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
So I know you were telling us something about the master bath sink. What is going on?
Yeah, so it's been draining a little slow, and now it's basically clogged. So I'd really like to be able to use my sink again.
For sure. I mean, how many times do you use your master bath sink a day?
Every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
All right, this sounds like the perfect time to open the front door. Let's use the app.
All right, let's do it.
Hi, thank you for opening the front door. My name is Eric. I'll be your expert today. So we got a clog in there. It's not draining.
Yeah, it's not draining anymore.
All right, so you're going to want to loosen this nut and this nut right here.
Oh, wow, look how easy that was.
Yep. And now if you have a clog in the line, you could snake in there, or it looks like you might have something clogged in that vertical piece you took out.
That was awesome, man. Look how easy that was.
Where Eric saved the day.
Eric saved the day. It's just that easy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Eric. I look forward to using my sink again.
Alrighty, you guys have an awesome day. Thank you for
Thanks,
opening the
Eric.
front door.
Talk about how easy that was and be afraid to touch it. Like that made me feel so comfortable. And what did it take?
Not
2
even
seconds?
2 minutes, yeah.
Yeah, and a big old thing came out. So that's the coolest thing about the app is the expert can switch your camera view with your permission. As you saw, he was using a laser to show you exactly where
cool.
to. Wasn't that cool?
I didn't expect that.
We got to go tackle another project.
Oh yeah, I have 10 more things on the punch list.
All right. Look how fast it was. We can.
Yeah.
Let's go do it.
All right. Hey, babe.
Hey, how'd it go?
It was great. The expert was super knowledgeable and super fast, really nice, and we got it done.
These holes have been here since we moved in.
Oh, I remember you told me like 10 times now.
I'm sure they've been on the list and we just haven't gotten to it yet.
They keep being ignored.
Sounds like a good time to call a handy person.
right,
Let's use the app.
Let's do it. All right, Shay, so my wife here has a bunch of, this is Heather.
Hey.
Hello, Heather. How are you?
He's ready.
I'm
She's
ready
equipped.
to fix some stuff.
She's got 4 different kinds of caulk here, and she has no idea which one we should use to fix these holes. So the holes right there on the wall, you see those 2 holes?
Any type of caulking that's acrylic based that says paintable is what you want to be looking at.
Perfect.
And what we're going to do is you're kind of build it up a little bit as you're going through it.
Oh yeah, it went right into the hole, Shay.
Absolutely. That looks great. So we're going to take your damp washcloth and we're just going to kind of lightly go down and then back up.
Man, Shay's the man.
Makes it so easy. Just another repair done.
That was all you, my friend. I am simply here to guide you. Please do not hesitate to contact us for anything else you guys need.
So I gotta say, I feel like today was a very successful day. I think we got more done from your list than you guys would have in the last year, right?
Oh, that was the most productive day I've had in probably a good 6 months.
How can folks like the Fike family get started?
So Android, iPhone, just go to your app store, download the Frontdoor app. It's $25 for a year of unlimited video calls with experts.
And it really is honestly the perfect gift.
Absolutely.
And as always, if you're looking for more information, go to designingspaces.tv.
One of the best things about working on a design show is learning so many aspects of home improvement, which is totally awesome when it comes to designing my own space. So today we're at my house, which is in need of a little bit of a makeover. So I have called in the big guns because, you know, I have a few ideas about what I want to do, but it's always good to have a little bit of expert advice, right? So let's go, check it out. Chris Clare from Pavestone.
Hi, how are you?
Thanks for coming.
Nice to meet you.
You can see I need you. Welcome to South Florida.
It's not that bad. It looks really good. You got good bones out here. I think you're gonna be able to do a lot with it. So.
Yeah, you can see the backyard's not horrible, but it definitely hasn't had an upgrade in a minute. You know?
Yeah, but I was just checking out the dark spots here. That's, you know, looking at a little bit of mold. We can clean some of that up. And my understanding, they've been down about 20 years, so you've got a good base already going. But you do see some settling, some low spots popping up here. So that's something we can help you with. We'll come in here. We'll put some new pavers down. We'll take care of the slope issues. Add some vertical elements to give it some.
What's that?
Vertical elements are just something, you know, some small columns or retaining walls, maybe some raised fire pits, but something just to add a little bit to the flatter space.
You help people with a backyard and with areas like this find new ideas to improve the space.
Absolutely. We have a lot of on-trend products. We have brand new products all across the country, adding new colors, larger format, the stuff that's just really on trend. So at Pavestone, we're all about quality, consistency, and performance, and we want to help you make over your backyard and turn this place into a staycation, if you will.
This is the threshold, and you can definitely see there's issues here.
Yeah, absolutely. This is a safety issue. That's something we'll take care of. We're going to probably do our best to get this paver as flush to this transition point as possible.
Awesome.
But also keep it level. You can see the slope runs away, and you're going to see some dark mold spots down there just
because
from
of the water
standing
pooling.
water. Yes, ma'am.
Now I saw a fire pit video on your website, and I'm very intrigued.
Okay.
And I even think I have a good place where it might go.
Okay.
So let me show you.
Let's take
All
a
right,
look.
come on. What do you think about this area?
This is a perfect spot for it. I mean, it's flat, it's open. This would be a perfect place for family to sit around and gather and roast some marshmallows.
The Ladera line, it seems like it's quite contemporary, yet also, I guess you'd say natural?
Yep, that was our goal when we made the Ladera line. So it has 7 unique faces. It has a lot of texture on the front and on the top. It also allows you to be able to create rectilinear designs without having to make any kind of cut. It's a very unique product. And the best part about it is it also can be propped up on edge and used as, as an edger as well. So it actually crosses over to a different type of feature as well, functionality. We offer all kinds of different stuff. We offer driveway rated pavers, we offer edgers, we offer stepstones, all kinds of different retaining walls, large shapes and sizes. If you can dream it up, we can help you tackle your project.
I got you. Here's this thing. This is very sentimental to me. It's from my parents' childhood home.
Oh, wow.
So I was gonna ask you if we could do a little favor and find some way to incorporate coral rock in the new design.
Okay.
If possible. You think it's good?
Absolutely, we could definitely incorporate that. I love to add like personal history and stuff and customize it and also add that natural element into a lot of these man-made stuff. Just to bring out what's on trend right now. So this is gonna be fun. I'm excited about it.
You ready to get started?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. Come on.
All right.
Let's go. Oh, we're definitely gonna have to fix this, right?
Absolutely, we're gonna have to start right here.
Start here. All right, come on. We have Warren from All South Lawnscapes here, and we have our product from Pavestone. Tell us why you guys have been working with Pavestone for so long.
So we've been working with Pavestone maybe about 12 years.
Wow.
And they always have a good product that is consistent, and they always are on top of new colors. It's an easy product to work with, and always have happy customers at the end.
You ready to get started?
I'm ready.
All right, guys, well, you can hear the activity going on back there. Can't wait to show you.
Chris, oh, Chris. Wow.
It turned out great, didn't it?
Oh my goodness. Way better than great. What a transformation. What have we done?
One of my favorite pieces about this is the seat wall that we're sitting on right now.
I love it too.
The combination of the man-made Ladera stone as well as the natural stone as the seat is, to me, is one of the biggest focal pieces of this project. For a homeowner doing this project themselves, fun fact is it literally takes less than 10 minutes to set this fire pit kit up. Yeah.
And it looks so much more symmetrical and so much more pulled together. The trim is my favorite.
Oh yeah, that's our Holland stone that we sell. It's a brick-shaped paver that we did it in a darker color, and it really helps frame out the patio. Wait till you see it at night. We put lighting up everywhere. Well, once a trip hazard is now taken care of.
Perfect.
Yep.
And I love the pathway. Let's check this out. So Chris, thank you again so much for this beautiful vision that you brought to life.
My pleasure.
And also for the coral rock. You didn't forget our little family tribute. Thank you for making it personal.
Absolutely. Anytime we can bring a personal touch into landscape design, it just makes it that much more fun.
So how can everybody else find out how to bring a vision like this to life?
Pavestone.com. We offer how-to videos, project calculators, a list of all our materials that we manufacture nationwide. So anything you need to get your job done.
And of course, you can always go to designingspaces.tv.
So I wanted to leave you with one last parting gift. This is the Traeger Ironwood XL.
Wow.
And so easy to use, you can run this from your smartwatch.
Wow. We will definitely have to fire this up.
For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.